Where? This is Audi. E-tron pa dyan, oh. Oh, nice. This good looking, man.
First try natin.
Oh God.
Entry number
Oh, vintage. Oh, not vintage.
93.
Stop that.
So first try natin.
Oh, WRX.
3.
W.
3.
Whoa! An Audi!
And Nissan.
Alright, 3, 2, 1,
Did not get
go.
it. I hope I can get versus guys. Oh!
Alright.
Let's go, man! God, out of the
Score
comment,
is
man!
94.7.
Oh, look at this, bro. Phenom last, man. Seriously? The bumper and stuff, man. The entire of this thing. Oh,
Alright,
man.
proceed tayo sa kabila.
The spoiler. I can't believe this. This is my dream car now. Damn. Jesus,
There's more!
oh, that is a lot. This is a car meet. That's a car show. Suzuki.
You see that?
Are you kidding me? A vintage Camaro S Super Sport?
Look at that! Look at that!
Oh damn! Oh damn!
Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah, that's a
Score is 95.4.
Check out this Chevrolet Camaro, man.
Alright,
Take a photo.
second try. Second
Okay,
try
take a
po si
picture.
entry
Take a picture,
number
brother.
93.
Take a picture. This baby is slow and all, but damn, this is a cool car.
Handbrake, sir, ha?
This Corvette though is what generation is this? First or second? Oh, I think third, man. I think third. Look at the exhaust. It's turbo. Look how wide this thing is, man.
Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go.
It's a Corvette that generation, my friend. It's the fifth generation
96.3.
Mustang. No, not Mustang. It's a Chevrolet. Damn it! It's a Corvette
Oh, mukhang kapibig 3.
C5. Oh, nice. It's just the chubbiness of the C6.
Alright, in 3, 2, 1,
The
go.
pop-up lights though. Yeah, man, up here.
100.
One star. Good done.
Alright, so sa game 1 natin ang panalo si entry number 38. So thank you, entry number 93.
There's a lot of cool cars.
Tayo sa finals.
Off-road,
Thank you.
sports, muscle.
So next match po natin. Entry number
Shoot! Music! Stuff.
Find the more!
Yeah, la. Yeah. La, 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 la. Bakit na, man? Basura, man. Why? Why you call it basura?
Alright, next in line is entry number 98 and entry number 157.
Look at those two Corvettes in the camera.
Thank you, entry number 93.
Oh, that's a Rachel Raptor.
What the heck?
It is a Raptor. please bless me. Look at this. It has a wrap. It's a face wrap. It is face. Yan, it's a Lexus. The Lexus that I saw in the feet. It's different. That's an RC1 F-150. Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Dad, I think there's an Evo 7 or 8. Holy cow! Classic Auto Works. What is this? Is that a turbo?
Is that trumpet?
I think that's turbo, not trumpet. What's wrong with you? That's not a trumpet. So guys, I think we discovered a lot there and we will discover more. Oh god, wheels, man. I'm like living in a dream.
Oh! Oh no! See, that's orange! Let's go!
Let's go! Holy fuck! Ah! Fast and Furious! Fast and Furious kaya! Wheel side!
Mag-uumpisa. Entry number 98, since ikaw unang nakarating dito sa stage. Dali lang, sir. Ha?
Oh, look, there's a wheel side emblem. Mwah.
Alright, first try po natin. Pag thumb up,
Oh.
that means go. Pag
Fast and
thumb
Furious.
down, that means patayin nyo na po.
Can't
Okay na
believe
po.
we discovered
Alright.
that
Wheel
stuff could
side!
In 3, 2, 1.
on! It's a... Hey, look at the interior for a moment, John. The whole
Alright,
look
the score
of this
is
wide body can...
100.6.
RX-7.
A Mustang!
I know. Let's transform RX-7 into a different car. It's just so nice.
Ay, what kind of car is
So guys, tandaan nyo ha, engine roar po to ha. Hindi pa to loudest roar. Yung loudest roar yung sa exhaust
That's
or
a
muffler.
Mitsubishi, but holy cow, that's cool.
Ayan!
These what Mustang is this? This it's a
Alright,
The new Mustang!
next one is entry number
Those are
157.
New, older, new. The horses, but the
Oh, wait lang po sir ha. Hintayin nyo pa. Hintayin nyo
The best
yung
one in
countdown
town.
natin.
Yeah, that car.